Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video talking about Midjourney. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about the parameter repeat. So this is a great parameter if you're in a rush and you are wanting to create a few pictures, and it's just super quick and easy. So let's jump into it. So we're going to do our usual prompt / imagine, and then we are going to say pink cupcake, and then we can just do, sorry, can't type, -- and then we're going to do 3. So that is repeat, and that is saying we want 3 of that same prompt. So it says, are you sure you want to imagine 3 prompts of pink cupcakes? So we're going to say yes, and then Midjourney is going to create 3 different variations for us, all from that same prompt. So like I say, this is just great if you know what image you are wanting, but you're wanting a selection to choose from, and say you're in a big rush. So Midjourney is doing that, and then we'll just wait and see what it creates for us. Okay, cool. So Midjourney has created us these 3 separate quadrants of images of pink cupcakes. So we've got variations, we've got cartoon ones, we've got real life ones, we've got a mixture of different backgrounds, which is amazing. So there is also lots for us to choose from. So I'm just going to do another one just to show you. So / imagine, I'm going to paste in the prompt, pink donut with colourful sprinkles, -- style raw, -- stylation 200, and then we're going to do -- R, and let's go for 3 again. So we've gone for repeat 3. It should come up. Are you sure we want to imagine 3 prompts? Yes, please. And let's go for it. As you can tell, I used to be a baker, so a lot of my prompts are around food, and I think what Midjourney creates is amazing, and you can definitely, you could pass it off as real food. Cool. Okay, so Midjourney has finished creating us those pink donuts. Oh my goodness, they look incredible. The top one there, we've got an action shot. Wow. Again, we've got a variety of different backgrounds, different sort of sprinkles. They all look so yummy. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh, delicious. So yeah, there's definitely one that I would find in there that I loved. And you can obviously re-roll them, get more variations, get Midjourney to create you a selection of different images. You can upscale, and you can also do different variations if there was an image that you liked. I quite like that one. I think that's quite cool. So yeah, just a quick one on how to get a load of images nice and quick for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video useful, if you could hit the like button and the subscribe button, we appreciate it so much. We're going to have lots more AI tutorials and videos coming your way. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one.